Alright, so I thought I'd kind of make a video today. I haven't posted in a long time. So anyways, let's get into what we're doing today. So today we are installing MHD's CAN Flex Fuel Analyzer or Flex Fuel Kit, whatever you'd like to call it. I've installed a handful of these in the past. They're super nice kits. Ignore my dirty hands, but this car is kind of dirty. But anyways, yeah, they're super nice kits. They go in nice, they're plug and play. Really easy to install and just overall really nice kit. Then to go along with that is some more fuel, Dorch Stage 2.5 or DS25, whatever you want to call it. Got their kit with their high pressure fuel pump. Nice stuff as always. And you got the pump itself in here, trying not to contaminate it. Very pretty pump. Standardine. Nice stuff. On this car, I pretty much have all the plastics taken off. You can definitely tell I decided to make this video mid install kinda. There are the plastics, got them off for access to the high pressure fuel pump, and just makes life overall much easier if you do it this way. So anyways, got everything kind of loosened up. The high pressure fuel pump bolts are loosened up. I'm working on getting the fuel rail bolts off. As you can see, they're pretty much off. It's kind of where I'm at right now. I guess I'll kind of resume when I have the stock pump off, and then kind of situating the Dorch pump on. Anyways, figured I'd also kind of do this one-handed for the sake of, I don't know, you guys watching. And gas all over you. Tries it. All right, there we go. Alrighty, got the stock high pressure off. That's always nice. Low pressure lines off. So I guess I'm gonna kind of start situating the Dorch base plate. I believe in the instructions, Dorch does recommend you use blue thread locker. You just gotta kind of have to be pretty quick with it. Dorch gives you a nice little kit here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Not going to film it because I need to pay attention and you know, be pretty precise and stuff like that. But just little tidbits of information. This is pretty common knowledge if you've done these in the past, but you got a little alignment tool that's pretty much to hold it in place. You can't really put this on wrong, because if you look at the little indentation right here, it goes along with the gasket. So I mean, if you really are confused about that, just make sure the Dorch logo is facing the coil backs, basically. But yeah, kind of put the alignment tool in there right now. I'm gonna put some Loctite on the bolts right here, and then, you know, screw them in. All right, so we kind of have the pump situated now. Looks pretty good. And a kind of little tidbit of information. I mean, it's in the instruction manual, and if you've done any high pressure fuel pump install before, you'd know this, but it's really crucial that you tighten one side at a time. You want it to go down pretty level. If you get any sort of resistance on one side, like it's not turning smoothly, stop, do the other side. Are able to torque at the spec, that would be best. It's definitely highly recommended. So that's kind of how the pump sits. Looks super nice and pretty. And now I'm going to start working on getting the fuel rail line on. That should go on pretty easy. It also comes with this harness extender. I already put it on. I'll just have to reach around and plug that in. And also another kind of tip, these basically fuel rail nuts, or whatever they're technically called, they should sit pretty flush to the fuel rail. Make sure that they're not, like, you know, way, like a lot of threads are showing. This, you do not have to tighten it all the way down there. I've personally never seen one go all the way, you know, hit the thread. So don't, you know, go tightening this super tight, trying to get it all the threads not to show. But obviously, you know, you want to make sure that it's lining up properly. You can kind of see that, you know, if it's head straight on, you know, it's seating in there really good. That's a good sign. And it should easily, you know, thread on like that. You know, if you have resistance or something's not right, something's not lined up, you know, check the way everything's positioned. But yeah, it's all looking good now. So I'm gonna kind of tighten these up a little bit and start working on the low pressure line / ethanol sensor. All right, just going over the final checks. Got the ethanol sensor kind of chilling there. Got the wire in. I just got to tuck everything away and pretty much done that. So thanks for watching today's video. I guess we'll see you next.